I'm Jake Oeth. I grew up in Ogden, Iowa. It's a small town of 2,000 people west of Ames and Boone, right on Highway 30. I graduated high school in 2005, and then I went on to Loras College over in Dubuque, where I got my undergraduate degree. After I graduated from Loras, I moved out to Washington, D.C., where I worked for U.S. Senator Tom Harkin from the great state of Iowa, and I worked for him for 2 years. After that, I moved back to Iowa, and I worked for a U.S. Congressman named Bruce Braley in northeast Iowa. I lived in Waterloo and Cedar Rapids for a couple years, and then I moved back to Des Moines to work in the Iowa caucuses. After the Iowa caucuses were over, I decided to go to law school. It was a dream of mine from when I was very young. My dad was a lawyer, and so going to law school was something I wanted to do. I graduated from Drake Law School in 2018, and I've been practicing law ever since. Outside of work, I enjoy playing golf, spending time with my dog and my girlfriend and my family. You'll find us riding our bikes on the bike trails in Des Moines in central Iowa. And I like going to Iowa Hawkeye football games. When I went to law school, I wanted to help people, and practicing in workers' compensation and personal injury allows me to help people when they're facing a very difficult time in their life, and oftentimes they feel that no one's listening and no one's helping them. And getting involved in these cases and representing individuals and injured workers gives me satisfaction in trying to help people and hold insurance companies and businesses accountable. Something that's been very clear to me in working with the Walker Billingsley Bair law firm is that everybody treats their clients as if it was a family member or a close friend. I really try to get to know my clients on a personal basis, understand the challenges they're facing, not only with their case, but in their everyday lives. And if there's anything I can do to help them, I do my best to address those concerns and advocate as zealously as I can for my clients. We have great staff here that are incredibly knowledgeable, have been working on these types of cases for many, many years, and just have incredible experience and knowledge base that's incredibly valuable to our clients and to us as lawyers, working together as teams, addressing these cases that can be lengthy but ultimately rewarding. One of the things that gives me the most satisfaction in helping clients is when they're not getting the benefits that they're entitled to, either from the insurance company or from their employer, and we're able to get involved and protect their rights. Oftentimes that's in getting them paid weekly benefits if they've been hurt at work, or if an insurance company isn't giving them fair value for their vehicle or in their for their medical bills, not paying their medical bills in a car crash case. Oftentimes when we get involved, we're able to assist clients with those matters, simplify the process for them, and ease their mind.